So another question I get asked often is, how do I edit or delete a post after I've shared it on LinkedIn? Again, it's really simple, and let me show you how to do just that. So on your homepage on LinkedIn, you'll see your little image in the right-hand corner. Click on the drop-down box that says Me, and then you go to your post and activity, click on that. And then if it's a post that you want to edit, or delete, you go to all your posts. Because sometimes what happens is you do a post and then after you've posted it, you realize you have a typo, or maybe you forgot to tag someone, or maybe you want to delete it. There's been times when I've accidentally posted 2 times. I don't know whether it was LinkedIn being glitchy, or I have no idea. And I know it's happened to some of my clients as well. Okay, so let's scroll down, and there is a post I could add some more information to that I want to edit. So I'm going to edit this post. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots of the ellipsis on the right-hand corner, and you can see it pulls up a drop-down box. I can feature this post on my profile. I can save it. I can copy a link to this post if I want to share it with someone through a direct message on my newsletter, or in some other fashion. Okay, so I want to edit it. So I'm going to edit this post so what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite people to check out my LinkedIn tips on the LinkedIn YouTube channel. Check out my tips on how to leverage LinkedIn and its new features on my YouTube channel. The link is in the comments, okay? In the comments below. And then I click save. I think maybe I made a typo. Okay, and it's new features. Okay, I didn't want to say new features. I just want to say in its features. So let me go back, and so you can again edit the post more than once. Okay, and there was a typo. And it's many features. Okay, on my YouTube channel, and I can save it. So it's saved it again. Now, unlike some other platforms, when you edit it, everyone who's liked it or has commented on it are not going to be notified. Okay, but new people who come to the post will see all your edited posts. Now, I'm not going to delete this post, but if I was to delete it, I would click on the 3 dots or the ellipsis in the right-hand corner and click on delete post. And then it doesn't just delete it, right? It says, are you sure you want to permanently remove this post from LinkedIn? I'm not going to do it, but if you did want to do it, you would click delete. I'll just click cancel. But I know if you click delete, then LinkedIn says this post has now been deleted. Okay, so that is my tips. Those are my tips for today. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I will see you very soon again with more LinkedIn tips.